Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of T sound. T is the 20th letter of the alphabet. It makes the sound T, just like in tiger. Want to say it correctly? Put your tongue behind your top teeth and say T, T, T. Great job. Word recognition. Let's look at some words that begin with T. T for tomato, a red and juicy vegetable. T for truck, a big vehicle that carries things. T for toy, something fun to play with. T for tree, tall and green with leaves. Wow, you're terrific with T words. Writing practice. It's time to practice writing the letter T. Start at the top, go straight down, then add a little line on top for uppercase T. For lowercase t, go down and cross it in the middle. Say, T is for truck, every time you write. Let's try it together. Activity. Beginning sound recognition. Now let's play a sound game. Look at these pictures and say what sound they start with. 1. Tulip. Write T. 2. Towel. Write T. 3. Table. Write T. 4. Turnip. Write T. 5. Tortoise. Write T. Superb. All these words begin with the letter T. More vocabulary. Here are some more words that begin with T. New words. Towel. We use it to dry ourselves. Tulip. A pretty flower. Turnip. A round root vegetable. Tap. Where water comes from. Table. We eat or work on it. Tortoise. A slow animal with a shell. Fantastic work today, my clever learners. You learned the sound of the letter T. New T, words like toy, tree, towel, and you practiced writing TT. Keep practicing every day. Next time we'll learn another cool letter. Until then, keep smiling and learning. Bye-bye.